Here's a look at today's assignment. The learning targets are: I understand that different expressions can represent the same situation. I can write an expression that matches a given situation, and I can justify my picture by connecting it to the story, which is something we focused on in class. You have 2 slides to complete, and they both follow the same directions. If y equals the same number in both of these sequences, the first and the second, how much does y equal? So you have to figure out what the letter y is equal to. So you could do 8 minus 5 to find out that answer. How long did the frog jump in each sequence? Hint, you add up all the numbers for each one after finding what y equals. It will be the same for each one. So your frog will have jumped the same amount in both of these. So whatever y equals, you would add that, plus 5, and then that, plus 8, and come up with the same length in both ones. Then you're going to do the same one with this sequence. If x equals the same number in both of these sequences, how much does x equal? And how long did the frog jump in each sequence? Again, you'll add up all the numbers for each one after finding out what x equals. It will be the same for each sequence. And if you're feeling up to it, there is a challenge slide as well, and I encourage you to at least give it a try. It's optional, but some of you are up for that challenge. Croaky, a frog, now has a new routine that is 59 feet long. Keep this distance in mind as you complete parts A and B below. In his new routine, Croaky makes 7 super jumps, all the same length, and then hops 3 feet. So you have to figure out how long is each super jump. So he jumped 59 feet total. He had 7 super jumps that are the same, so that would be your x or your y, and you would have 7 of those, plus the 3 feet. If x represents the length of 1 super jump, and 2x represents the length of 2 super jumps, write an expression that represents Croaky's routine.